that the best way to do it is like this, using an S move.
Yeah, that
Doesn't seem like Adrien knows that alg. Still pretty fast though.
Chris uses the S move a lot. Hey, I've noticed that when he's solving.
Using
I
those
don't think I never
alg.
noticed. Well, yeah, just on certain algs. I've never seen an alg with an S. What was that? What was that?
5.1.
5-2. Snap!
Sorry, where's my Kiwi League?
That's amazing.
We're just talking about the S move.
Yes.
Holy macaroni.
5.21. Adrien just got a 5.21, Charlie. The fastest time ever.
Yeah.
Fuck, at least you idiot.
I thought he was gonna win. I thought he was gonna get.
I think James is doing a good job at clarifying my statement.
Okay, good.
Should absorbed in that, and all else to even notice what was going on.
Amazing. 5-2. I didn't see
I
much
was
of the
just
song.
watching, and I saw, oh, that was a pretty fast F12, and I saw he had a good hold, and then I saw it skipped, and I was like, oh crap, that was scripted. I just got me completely off guard.